Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to Easy English Jabalpur channel. I have brought a very interesting phrase for you today. Have you ever been to a gravy train? Have you ever seen a gravy train? Have you ever been traveled in a gravy train? No? Yes, there is an English phrase called gravy train, which means to earn a lot of money in less work. So nowadays there are many online works available where you can earn your gravy train. That means to earn a lot of money in just less work. You have to just work for a couple of hours and you can get lot of money for that work. So enjoy your gravy train. You can join Hollywood also to earn your gravy train. So I hope you have liked this video. Enjoy your gravy train. Do connect with us to get latest videos on your screen. And if you have liked this video, do subscribe Easy English Jabalpur channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently.